everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle, one half of Just As Wondering, and today I'm making cushion covers. Now, the reason I'm filming this, well, I'm going to try and film it, is because I'm going to try and do it in a peculiar way. I've not gone to a fabric store this time, normally I would. I've gone to Dunelm and I've bought some like olive green curtains. Now in my head they're thicker, they're probably more durable, they're lined, and I like the fabric. So these pair are huge. So they've got the eyelet, obviously we want to take them off, which you will lose a little bit, but not too much because they haven't like got tape. But it's lined, so it's just extra and it's thick. I'm gonna hope it's gonna work. And you're gonna come along and see if it does. If it doesn't, I've wasted money and time, but it could be awesome. And we're gonna go with it awesome. So I've got zip, I've got zippers, so yeah, you know what a zip looks like, right? So I've got 2 meters of zips. My cushions are less than that put together widthwise, long side, and then I'm going to hope that these will fit. Working in a narrowboat, really not easy when you're trying to do fabric, so I think I'm going to have to use the bed, which isn't ideal, but yeah, let's go. Lay out the fabric and then put the cushion on top and see what's going on. Oh, side note, the cushions are actually a single mattress, brand new, that I brought, and I've just cut them up. It's another way of doing it, isn't it? You don't have to get the actual foam pieces. I actually bought a mattress. They're a bit thicker and you can get like 4-inch. I've gone for 16 centimetres. They're a bit thicker about this. But they're so comfy, and we want it like a snug and one that I could put into a single bed, so that should look quite pretty, I think. You see that? Yeah. So I'm going to do the smaller one first. So I think I need to measure this, which I think is 16, add 2 inches, cut, because then I can make a nice seam. Yeah. I think I'm going to watch a YouTube video myself and come back. So what you need to do is top and bottom of the cushion, you'd measure that and then add 1 inch on for each side to allow for a seam. So I'm going to do that and then draw it out. Okay, I'll be back. I feel like if you were doing this on a hard floor it'd be so much easier, but I can't, so I've drawn out my line. I'm just going to cut this one, replicate it another time, then I cut the sides, and then hopefully we'll just put it together and then add a zip. It's not that simple, I've done it before, but yeah, let's do this. So I've just cut that and then laid it on top. If I just, can you see that there is like that amount, about 1 inch each side? It's the same all over, so it's about that and that everywhere, so that in theory should be right, which is good. So I've just got to replicate that one more time. So my understanding is that every panel has 1 inch added. I'm just talking to my bar. My understanding is every side, every panel has 1 inch added onto each side. So for the side, Mine is 6 inches, which is quite big. So I need to do 8 inches because then they overlap with the other panel to create a nice edge. So I'm going to measure 8 inches all the way down for 3 sides, leaving this side. And my plan is to make the zipper panels separate. And then I'm going to do it side by side and then just sew it on individually to make it similar, easier. So this piece is 8 inches by 20, so 6 inches by 20, so it's 22 by 8. So yeah, I'm going to do that now, measure them out, cut each panel. Okay, everybody with me? So, in theory that should be everything cut. So I've got 2 side panels, a base plate and a top plate, and then 2 side panels, the smaller sides. One of these will have to be cut in half for the zipper. Yeah, which I have just thought the zipper is probably 1 inch and it's sewn. Yeah, we'll work that out. But yeah, to the sewing machine. I think my next plan is to get, like, this is the small side, 1 inch in, roughly. Put that onto one of the top or bottom plate and then go 1 inch on that one. Maybe this side. I can actually show you rather than talking. So fold both of them in 1 inch. And shaking. Kind of attach that piece to that piece. Does that make sense? Because then that should, in theory, make a nice edge to go around the cushion. Yeah. This is so complicated. And it's very warm. Open the windows. So yeah, inch roughly fold. Well, no, exactly 1 inch. Pin it. And then attach it. And there's one side. In theory. Everything's in theory. See, I'm going to do that now. I'm start pinning. Sew that, so can you see that? No seam all the way. So that is now top or bottom plate with the corner of the short side on. So I'm going to do the same for the other side. Just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night. Mistake, nothing to do with what I've sewed, kind of. But essentially, when you want to put the long bit on, I've not left the inch bit at the top of this and the bottom of this because you know we added 1 inch on all the way around. Well, you're going to need the inch to put this on. So I've just unpicked like 1.5 inches. It's going to be more tricky for me, but. And then I should be able to just sew this bit together. And then once it's flipped, you can then sew the sides together to make you like starting to form your box. So yeah, just make it easy for yourself and do that first. So yeah, I'm going to sew these together all the way down, then I've just got to do the zipper side, and then we'll complete the box by sewing the base plate on. So yeah, sewing this on now. come away a bit to work out what was going on, but essentially you just need to leave an inch each side. So I didn't, so I've had to unpick it, but leave an inch each side so you have 3 corners. Then sew your other side on exactly the same, and then just match these 2 up and sew along there, which will give you the nice corner when you fold it the right way. So I'll do that now. Yes guys, so look, that is the front done. Side seams all nice, that one all nice, that's what it'll look like. Now somehow I've got to get the bottom plate on and then the zip. I don't know whether to go for the zip first or the bottom plate. So the zipper panel is the long side. My plan might not work, but we'll see. I'm going to fold this in half, cut it in half because that is where the zip will sit. So a very minuscule lid, so it's got a nice edge. Sew the zip on, then I've still got my inch either side to attach it to there, and then fingers crossed it'll fit. Could go horribly wrong. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, if that makes sense. So first step is to cut this piece in half, because then the zip will sit in the middle. I've got to talk quietly because James is back and he's asleep. So what I've done is I've cut the zipper in half and then sewed a nice edge. And then what I've done is I've attached the zip so it's like a little bit over the middle bit, and I'm just going to sew that on and do the same to the other one. So I've sewn that together and now we have a working zip. I'm going to attach it to the cushion. So that is now the long edge sewn on. I've got to sew that edge on and then the base plate, and I'll meet you in a second. I'm phone cam because my camera just ran out, but I'm on the last edge, so bear with. But I'm on the last edge, which is the zipper edge. So what you're going to do is leave it open so you can reach in and pull the fabric through. Otherwise you're just creating a sealed box. Don't want that because we're doing everything inside out. So yeah, same difference. So at the edge to edge, reach in, flip it upside down. So that in theory is a cushion done. A glove. So happy. So I'm not going to bore you with the next one, but you get the idea. I made cushions out of a pair of curtains. You can do the same. See you next week. Bye.